Hi, I'm Josh from GME Supply, and in this video we're going to show you the 3M tool tethering sample kit. These days, tool tethering is a huge topic of discussion with developments like the ANSI ISEA standards and an all-around heavier focus on job site safety. Naturally, we're seeing an influx of tool tethering options appearing on the market from a lot of manufacturers. This can be overwhelming to a safety director wanting to maintain or establish a dropped objects prevention program and keep their crew protected. That's why we've partnered with 3M to put together a sample pack that consists of several different tool tethering solutions. Let's jump right into what that kit includes. First, the 5-pound capacity D-ring attachment with cord allows you to instantly and temporarily turn any tool with pre-drilled attachment points into an at-height tool. Next is the 5-pound D-ring attachment. This D-ring is made to be used with a quick wrap tape 2 to turn any tool without pre-made attachment points into tetherable tools. The 5-pound tool retractors feature a lightweight, compact housing and high-strength Dyneema retractor line. Attach the swiveling top to a belt or tool bag and on the other end to a tetherable tool for compact tool tethering solution. Similar to the retractor, the hook-to-hook tether with swivel is a lightweight solution that minimizes the risks of entanglement. It features 5-pound capacity self-locking carabiners on both ends and an ergonomic swivel that keeps the tether coil from interfering with your work. Onto the medium-duty tethers. The hook-to-loop bungee tether has a weight capacity of 10 pounds. It's made of a 5/8" tubular webbing that loops right into the tool with a self-locking carabiner for the harness or tool bag connection. Next, the dual-wing tool cinch offers a 35-pound capacity and stabilization wings to secure even the most difficult tools. Paired with that quick wrap tape 2, it creates a strong, lasting hold that prevents slipping during use. Not enough attachments on your harness for all your tethered tools? Use this harness adapter to create an instant 5-pound rated attachment point for any tool tether. Finally, store all your loose components in the small parts pouch. This heavy-duty canvas tool pouch features a trapdoor design that easily allows you to get into the bag, but if bumped or tipped, it doesn't allow any components to get back out. Best of all, this kit comes free with the online purchase of any of our tower climbing kits through our website. That's over a $200 value, absolutely free. Plus, once you receive the kit, there's an opportunity to get a bonus item. Refer to the card in the kit to learn more. Learn more about the contents of this kit at gmesupply.com/sample. Then check out all of our tower climbing kits and tool tethering solutions at gmesupply.com. Click that subscribe button and follow us on all social media channels to keep up with our latest updates, promotions, and giveaways. Also, check out our podcast, Gear Up with Gear Experts, a bi-weekly show that discusses all things at-height safety. Find it wherever you listen to podcasts.